are machines, and then there are statements. The 2026 Scania Titan 12x12 is not built to fit into a segment. It's built to redefine one. In a world where most heavy-duty trucks are engineered for practicality alone, the Titan arrives with presence, unapologetic, commanding, and unmistakably Scandinavian. This is not just a transport solution. It's a rolling fortress of torque, technology, and terrain-conquering ambition. From the very first glance, the Titan 12x12 makes its intentions clear. It sits tall, incredibly tall, on its multi-axle stance, with all 6 axles driven, distributing power across 12 wheels with mechanical precision. The proportions are bold yet purposeful. Every line serves a function. The reinforced steel bumper, sculpted with angular confidence, blends seamlessly into the aerodynamic contours of the cab. LED matrix headlights slice through darkness with a sharp, crystalline signature, while the high ground clearance and articulated suspension components hint at the Titan's true calling, conquering terrain where roads barely exist. Walk around it, and you begin to appreciate the scale. The chassis is heavily reinforced, engineered to withstand extreme torsional stress. Massive off-road tires wrap around beadlock-style wheels, designed to grip mud, sand, gravel, and snow without hesitation. The Titan's design isn't flashy for the sake of attention. It's intimidating because it earns the right to be. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a newly refined 16.4-liter inline-6 turbo diesel engine, tuned specifically for extreme load applications. Producing well over 770 horsepower and an earth-moving wave of torque exceeding 3,800 Nm, this power plant doesn't just move weight, it dominates it. The throttle response is surprisingly precise for a machine of this scale. Press down gently, and the Titan eases forward with controlled authority. Press deeper, and the engine responds with a deep, resonant growl that feels less like mechanical noise and more like controlled thunder. The real magic, however, lies in how that power is delivered. The 12x12 drivetrain system intelligently distributes torque across all axles through Scania's advanced terrain management software. Whether crawling over rock formations or hauling massive industrial equipment across unstable ground, the system continuously adapts. Individual wheel slip is detected and corrected within milliseconds. It's not dramatic, it's seamless, and that's what makes it extraordinary. Out on the open highway, something unexpected happens. Despite its colossal capability, the Titan feels composed, almost refined. The adaptive air suspension smooths out imperfections in the pavement, and the steering, surprisingly communicative for a heavy-duty platform, offers stability without feeling disconnected. Wind noise is impressively contained, thanks to aerodynamic refinements around the mirrors and cab edges. It's still a Titan, but it doesn't punish you for long-distance travel. Step inside the cab, and the narrative shifts from brute force to Scandinavian sophistication. The interior is expansive, designed with both durability and driver well-being in mind. Soft-touch materials line the dashboard, contrasted by brushed aluminum accents and ruggedized switchgear that feels built for gloved hands. The seating position is commanding, offering a panoramic view of the terrain ahead through a wide, slightly curved windshield. The driver's seat itself is fully air-suspended, heated, ventilated, and ergonomically sculpted for long-haul comfort. Hours behind the wheel feel surprisingly manageable. Every control is intuitively placed. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time drivetrain data, axle load distribution, incline angles, and terrain status. At the center of the dash, a large infotainment display integrates navigation optimized for heavy-duty route planning, satellite terrain mapping, and real-time diagnostics. Technology plays a major role in the Titan's personality. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control calibrated for heavy loads, downhill speed regulation, blind spot monitoring across the extended chassis length, and a 360-degree camera system that proves invaluable when maneuvering in tight off-road environments. There's even predictive gear selection, analyzing upcoming gradients and automatically preparing the transmission for optimal efficiency and torque delivery. But numbers and features only tell part of the story. What truly defines the 2026 Scania Titan 12x12 is how it feels in real-world conditions. Imagine navigating a remote construction site after heavy rainfall. The ground is unstable, the incline steep, and visibility limited. In most vehicles, tension would rise instantly. In the Titan, confidence replaces anxiety. Engage off-road mode, lock the differentials, and ease into the throttle. The truck doesn't fight the terrain, it absorbs it. Each axle articulates independently, maintaining contact and traction. The engine hums steadily, never straining, never hesitating. Or picture hauling a multi-ton load across desert terrain. Heat shimmers on the horizon. The sand shifts unpredictably. Yet the Titan tracks forward with deliberate calm. The torque delivery remains consistent. The cooling systems, upgraded for 2026 with enhanced airflow channels and reinforced radiators, maintain optimal temperatures even under sustained stress. Despite its industrial strength, the Titan carries a certain dignity. There's a rhythm to the way it moves. The transmission shifts are deliberate but smooth, each gear change accompanied by a subtle surge of momentum. The cabin remains remarkably insulated from vibration, a testament to Scania's continuous refinement of chassis mounting and sound dampening. Fuel efficiency, surprisingly, has also improved. Advanced combustion mapping and predictive cruise technology allow the Titan to optimize fuel usage even under heavy load. For operators managing large fleets, that translates to tangible savings over time, proof that brute strength and intelligent engineering can coexist. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Reinforced structural elements protect the cab, while collision mitigation systems monitor surroundings constantly. Emergency braking assistance is calibrated specifically for extreme loads, ensuring stability even in critical situations. In a vehicle of this magnitude, reassurance matters. And then there's the personality. The Titan 12X12 doesn't chase trends. It doesn't rely on exaggerated styling cues or unnecessary theatrics. Its character is defined by purpose. It's the kind of machine that commands respect on a job site and admiration at a heavy equipment expo. It speaks quietly, but with authority. For drivers, it offers something rare in the heavy-duty world: pride. Pride in mastering a machine this capable. Pride in piloting something engineered without compromise. And pride in knowing that wherever the route leads, whether paved highways, mountain passes, frozen tundra, or desert dunes, the Titan is prepared. In many ways, the 2026 Scania Titan 12X12 represents the future of extreme-duty transport. Not just because of its advanced drivetrain or intelligent systems, but because it redefines what capability feels like. It blends raw mechanical strength with digital precision. It pairs Scandinavian minimalism with industrial resilience. As the sun sets and the Titan idles after a long day's work, there's a low, steady rumble from the engine bay, not aggressive, not overstated, just confident. It's the sound of potential energy waiting to be unleashed again. The 2026 Scania Titan 12X12 isn't for everyone. It's not designed for casual commutes or light cargo. It exists for the extremes, for the projects that demand more, for the terrain that refuses to cooperate, for the operators who require absolute reliability. And in delivering that, it doesn't just meet expectations. It sets a new benchmark. This is not just a truck. It's a force of nature engineered in steel, torque, and precision. The Titan has arrived, and the ground beneath it will never feel the same again.